Dinner on Destiny with here Nuclear Kid X.
What's up?
Yep. So play some Iron Banner here on the Saints Iron Banner week, and this week's guns are the sniper rifle or a sniper rifle and pulse rifle. I'm trying to get the pulse rifle here. The pulse rifle is really good. The sniper I haven't used it yet, but I've heard from people that the pulse rifle is actually good.
Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna go ahead and equip the pulse rifle, not the pulse rifle, the sniper, which is Waylon's March. You can just put on Mida multi-tool. This thing is a beast in the Crucible.
Pulse rifle is actually
rifle. Yeah, I wasn't gonna win at close range with the Mida. All right. So I don't have my freaking emblem on me. Just go ahead and change that now for the Iron Banner. All right. So this is kind of a different video. You've probably seen Call of Duty videos, and yeah, trying to expand what I have on my channel so I get more subscribers, more views from every type of way possible. We'll just take this guy right here. All right. Oh my! Shoulder charge! So OP.
Oh, it isn't.
Yeah, it is, dude.
Even though I just one-shotted that kid, it's not.
It one-shots you. Oh my god, see, you see how OP shoulder, you get a double kill shoulder charge. It's really OP. That could hide from me, dude. What a scrub. Where are they?
Up your butt.
Hey.
My kill.
Are you serious? Stole my kill, dude.
What?
You just so mean.
Zone C lost.
Oh, we lost Zone C. Nice.
We need a cafe.
Ha! That was my second melee kill of this game. Holy crap. Oh, you don't see me. Ha! Come back out, I dare you. No, I dared him, and no! Oh no, I traded kills with them. Alright, I'll take that, because if I didn't kill that guy, I'd be really mad. Hey, we're winning. And that guy's on a freaking 5-kill streak. Nice. Parkour! Destiny parkour! My aim is bad! There we go.
Mine is too.
That's how this guy just killed like get. Oh my freaking! I think it was a hunter melee. Nope. Yep, you're dead. You're gonna die. Come on. Anyone left from my? Yeah, there you go. All right, let's just cap C. Nope, no, you don't. I don't even care that I wasted only one bullet on a guy. Hold on, I need to try and get another. Move, teammate. Or whatever. I was on that.
Oh my
Alright,
God,
Waylon's March. I haven't used this sniper yet. Hopefully it's actually pretty good.
It is.
Oh, actually I shot him. They're all in here, aren't they? Yeah. You're dead. Oh, that's plus 275. Let's go, dude. Come on. Yeah. And there's 200. There's someone behind me. Okay. Dude, I went on a 6-kill streak and then I freaking died for some reason a fusion rifle. Oh my god, kill him, dude. I just saw you this guy had like a freaking short charge fight up in midair.
Ah!
You know you wanna die? Yeah, here you go.
Enemy captured zone B.
This is A? I think this is A, yeah.
You're blind if you can't read.
Neutralized zone
Hey, be quiet. Someone behind you. No, I'm kidding.
Hey.
Oh my god!
secure.
Yeah, nice. Behind you.
Oh, we all just got annihilated
Just
by a
kidding.
freaking
Die.
Sunbreaker, dude. Holy crap.
Nope.
Free ammo on the way.
Nope.
What's this guy trying to do? This medium. Oh my god. Shoot was charged! Just, come on! You're so OP. How am I ahead of you?
I don't know.
Wow, that guy just got triple with the Mida. I can't blame him because it's a really good gun. It's really it's very broken.
No, it isn't.
What, the Mida?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. It's freaking most broken scout rifle in the game. I'm
Lost
sorry.
the lead.
How did they take the lead?
Zone
Wow.
C
Never mind.
neutralized.
It's our team. I thought we were Bravo.
Zone B neutralized.
Wow. Oh, hey, Norman's Merchant. That's the pulse rifle you get from the Iron Banner. Or this week's Iron Banner, I think, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna give this Waylorn's March one more chance. Ha! I got a sword. He has a sword. He has a sword. Yes! Reel it! Assist! Gosh. K-Dog 5-4 is that's what you get. I missed, didn't I? Come on! There we go. I get so reckless when I use my shadow shock. I never like aim when I do it. But no way I'm gonna live to get the kill. Okay, about to say.
Zone B.
Dude,
How?
Google
It's
learned
on
about
the other side of
3,000.
the
What
wall.
happened? Hey!
And what happened? Our team started to suck.
Enemy captured zone
Yeah,
B.
you suck. Wow.
Woo.
This hour? Nope, it's not ours. Oh my god, I just got owned. Holy crap.
Zone
Alright.
B neutralized.
Oh, that's nice.
Blade Dancer is broken in the Crucible too. Guys, oh my god.
5 minutes remaining.
You thought you could run from me? Huh? No, I didn't even run though. Stop, 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 stop. There we go.
Stop, stop, stop.
Zone
No.
C
Yeah.
lost. Zone A secure.
I'm in the spawn. Oh, nice, dude.
Enemy captured
I
zone
get hit by a
C.
shoulder charge, then I get hit by a freaking punch. Are you serious, dude? Alright. So Waylorn's March is
Oh, wow.
I'm not sure if that's good. Just put on the patch A. I said
So
put on the
isn't
patch
that
A.
from-
Patch
isn't
A,
the
there
patch
we
A
go.
from Dead
Oh,
Orbit?
oh my god. I had 8 bullets on my sniper, and I switched to my patch and I have no bullets.
Run,
in it.
run,
Nice.
run. Oh no. Oh no, please. Sam. Sam. People.
I'm dead.
You've got to hold those zones.
We lost.
Maybe next
Nice.
time, Guardian.
Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video today on I Am Banned with New Mechanics. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya!